Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. As you guys can see, I am loving it. It looks so good. It's so thick and it's so full. So if you guys are interested in watching me slay this wig, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be installing this wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig, and this wig is from Wiggins Hair. I think this is Jerry Curl, but I don't know. I'm going to confirm the curl pattern in the description box, but this is the closure wig, and this is how it looks before I put it in. You guys, I'm so excited to be installing this hair because it's so big and pretty. I'm going to go ahead and try it on now. I'm just going to be taking off the clips, and I'm going to just move them into a closer area so that the wig fits me tight and hugging. It's easier to do it before you apply your wig, just because once your wig is on your head, if you have long nails like me, it is hard to apply. Okay, so let me just look and see. For some reason, okay, whew, it is kind of tight. I'm gonna have to readjust the bands. Okay. Alright, so it's on. It is still feeling pretty tight, but I'm just realizing that's probably just the form of the wig. So it is nice in a tight fit. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna, hair on my lip. Now I'm gonna take my scissors. I don't see my other ones, so I'm gonna just take these ones, and I'm just gonna be cutting off the little corner pieces. If this was like a full lace, I would call them my ear tabs, but I like to fully cut those off because they be jagged with the razor. And then I'm gonna take my razor and cut off the excess lace. Now I'm just gonna slide the wig back, and I'm just gonna slide that up some right there. And now I'm just going to apply my glue. I'm just going to be applying my Soul Melted lace glue, and this is from my own brand. You guys can check it out at www.co. So www.so.char.co. Alright guys, so I don't know why I didn't talk through this part, but I just basically waited until that one coat dried clear, and I just went ahead and applied the lace. And this is an HD lace. It melted like perfectly into my skin. So after I fully press out and make sure there's no strings on my actual glue before putting down my lace, I'm gonna go back in and lift up certain areas that aren't fully glued down, and make sure I just retouch up those areas again so that the full perimeter of the lace is glued down. And by the way, this is not a 5x5. I made a mistake. This is a 6x6 closure. Alright you guys, so now that it is fully dried, hold on, there's like a little piece of lace that just needs to be, oh there it goes, need to be pulled off. Okay, so now that that's done with, I'm just gonna take my baby hair brush. This is like one of my ultimate favorite baby hair brushes. This is also on my website, and I'm just gonna pull out a chunk of hair on my corners. I'm just gonna pull out like this much hair. And then I'm gonna do the same to this side and just pull out that much hair as well. And then I'm just gonna pull out. So I pulled out these two sides, and I know the last time I did my hair, I didn't do the front swoop, but I definitely am gonna be doing a front swoop today. Okay, y'all, I need my front swoop. Cause I ain't me without it. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just doing this. And I'm also going to take my hair clip and move my hair out the way. Okay, so now, all right, you guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the baby hairs that I just pulled out. And I'm just gonna take my razor, and actually, because I'm gonna be curling them, I'm just gonna cut them from like right here. I'm not gonna cut them too short. Oh, look at that, a bang. A bang, not the bang. Y'all, so if you guys watched my last closure tutorial, when I didn't do the front swoop and I just did the side pieces, I burnt the shit out of my forehead. I burnt my forehead so bad. When I freaking went, a couple days later, I was looking in the mirror and I seen a little line. The next day, it was a dark black line, and I finally just peeled it. You can't see it because I have on makeup, but y'all, real bad. But I ended up peeling off. It was literally like a scab. So I'm gonna be very, very careful with this. I'm not even gonna look at y'all. I'm gonna look straight into my mirror. So I usually curl my baby hairs the opposite way, which is this way, but today I'm gonna curl it this way and just see how it works, because I see everybody curl downwards and oh my fucking god. Okay, you guys, no talking, because I just passed and burnt myself again. Hold on, you. I have to catch a grip. I just have to work so hard to get an actual cut. And I feel like it's taking out the curl. Okay, I found another razor. Hopefully this one is cleaner or sharper. That one is definitely more sharper. All right, now I'm going to take my baby hair goo. So I'm going to do the first front one first. And I'm actually... Alright, so offer it as I'm laying it down. Alright, so now my camera had overheated and died. So now I'm just gonna be doing this, but I'm gonna be curving it so I could have like a swirl right here. kind of like this one. Only thing is though, I feel like it needs a little bit more here. So I'm gonna just pull this out right here. Alright, so I'm still trying to figure out if I like the swirl right there, but I'm gonna just keep going and you know, let's see what we do. Why the baby hairs that I had curled, why they all like lost in there? Alright, so now this is how the baby hairs look. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my part all the way now. And last time I had just did like a minute of it a little bit earlier. And now I'm going all the way in and I'm just dragging that makeup like that. I'm also gonna take a makeup brush because I feel like I just need to spread it out. So I think I might have put a little bit too much. I think I might have went a little bit mascara crazy. And I'm gonna take this, which is lighter than my complexion. This is like my scalp color. And I'm just going straight up with it. Tell me, baby, do you really want to love me forever? So, and then I'm gonna take my Slickum Spritz. Got me a brand new bottle. And I'm just gonna put that down my part. And then my Sweetness, I got me the mini old bottle. And chase that out. And then I'm just gonna brush that real quick. Right? Then I'm gonna take my hot comb, which was not on. I love it, y'all. And don't think it's short because of the closure. It's actually really long and big. So I am gonna like drench it down because I don't want it to be too big. I'm about to go to the mall by myself, y'all. I'm a loner, but it's Saturday and I'm just gonna have some me time and do some shopping. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that these are the lashes in the Stylish Soul CHAR. These are the ones that always sell out first, but this time I ordered a higher quantity of them and I got them on. I literally plucked, I had on mink lashes and I literally plucked out my mink lashes so I could rock my Soul CHARs, okay y'all? Or I think they're called CHARs. But now, just going in with my hot comb and just giving that a nice press out. Now I'm just gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna wet all my hair down with some water, and then I'm going to show you guys the products that I use to keep it maintained. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more. Alright you guys, so now the hair is all nice and wet. Ooh, it's really cold. This is the shedding that I got from the hair. And that's just from me rubbing my hands through it because I didn't brush it or nothing like that. And this is the amount of shedding, which is not bad. Now, I'm just going to take my So Curly Curl Activator. And I'm just going to spray that all on my hair. And I'm spraying it on my ends as well. And because my hair is like soaking wet, it's gonna actually help the hair actually it's gonna help the I'm sorry, I'm retarded. It's gonna help the product move around more. This is also available on my website. So curly. And then just spreading it out, and it smells so good, you guys. It has like a coconutty scent to it. Doesn't smell too strong, but it smells so good, and I love it. Now I'm gonna take my mousse, and this is a So Curly mousse, and this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna be putting the mousse, start filming, right here on the sides of my hair, and I'm gonna run it down like this because this is like a custom unit from Wiggins Hair. So you know the frontal is a bit shorter than the real hair, and if you do this, this will avoid you from having that hair separation. When it does dry up, it will be fully like blended with the hair, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long the hair is. When I stand up from the front, it comes all the way down to my hips, and then when I turn to the back, put everything to the back, it's like right above my butt, but like at my butt. I love it. I feel so cute. Alright, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. All the names are Charlene Forever. I'll have it listed down in my description box. Also, make sure you guys check out the links. Everything will be listed in the description box. There will also be like a discount code for you guys all in the description box. So yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me if y'all like this little swirl that I did. You know, I'm trying to like spice it up and be different. I am going to be vlogging for you guys today, so stay tuned for a vlog.